We would like to give a special thanks to Moose for providing us with these toys. Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Shopkins Happy Places Rainbow Beach. I love the beach, and now our little Shoppies have a whole beach-inspired collection. This is the BBQ Party Surprise Me pack. Here is the Rainbow Beach Happy Camper Van, the Happy Beach House, Happy Convertible, Little Shoppie packs, Little Unicorn packs, and blind boxes for ages 4 and up. Let's start with the Rainbow Beach Happy Beach House. It comes with a beach house, 5 petkin accessories, and 1 palm tree. There are surprise petkins inside, so you don't know exactly what you're going to get. On the back of the box, you can see a picture of the whole playset, and it says, "There's happiness at the end of every rainbow. Pack your bags and discover a place full of bright, colorful faces." Rainbow Beach is a magical bay where the little Shoppies love to stay over summer. The Happy Beach House has many colorful spaces to create a happy holiday home. Open the windows and doors to find surprise petkin accessories and more to decorate the beach house. So when you first open the box, there is a house with windows that hold the surprise petkins inside. All we have to do is push. There we go. And we can open the little door to see the petkin. And I just have to take it out to see which one it is. I think it is a straw with a flower on it. I'll have to check the collector's guide. In the next window, we have a coconut for the little straw. And in this large window on the bottom, we have a pink and blue tub. And the other 2 petkins are right here, so we can just take those out to get a beach chair and table. Let's get the rest out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, some light assembly is required. We have to attach the stairs right there, and it's ready for our little Shoppies to move in. This is a 2-story house with stairs that lead to an upstairs balcony. This is the front of the house. There are little steps leading into the doorway. On the inside, there is rainbow wallpaper, a rainbow printed rug. Upstairs, there is more rainbow wallpaper. This time you can see a picture on the wall, and there is a shelf so you can store some of your petkins. There are pictures molded onto the wall, as well as potted plants, and a large window to look outside. I love that little window up there, and the roof has a beautiful purple-blue ombre. Then we have our palm tree, and a couple of furniture items that are included. Then we can use the BBQ Party Surprise Me pack to add to our house. It also has surprise petkins behind the windows, a surprise little pet inside, and the little Shoppie, Flamingo. And for her, happiness is partying around the BBQ with her favorite flock of friends. Flamingo is dressed to grill and loves to cook up a stylish scene with her pink petkins. At the Rainbow Beach House, there's nothing like some tasty fun under the sun. I am so excited for that little pet inside. I've always thought that the little Shoppies needed pets, so this is perfect. Let's open those little mystery windows. Behind door number 1, we have a table and corn on the cob. Behind door number 2, we have a smaller table, more corn, and tongs for the corn. Door number 3, a barbecue grill where the top can be removed, a chair, and what I think is a bowl of fruit salad. Door number 4 is down here. It is 2 little cups. And our surprise little pet is behind door number 5. And it is a piece of paper that says pull here. Okay, let's do that. Pull here. Oh, there's a whole bunch of pets. There it is. Okay, right behind it. Get the little package out. To meet our little pet. And it is a puppy. Piper puppy, to be exact. That long piece of paper is the collector's guide. So we can check the rest of the items off of our list, like the lounge, drink dispenser, and the little Shoppie, Flamingo. Fleur is dressed in all pink. She has a flamingo in her hair, a feathered dress with wings, and hot pink flamingo shoes. I'm gonna use this lounge to decorate my beach house. I gotta say, I am loving all of this color. The Rainbow Beach collection has tons of other accessories, like beds with storage underneath, a pink and white ombre couch, a TV, lamp, side table, and other items to decorate the beach house into your happy place.
Then we can invite all of our friends. But they may need to bring a sleeping bag or two. There's only one bedroom.
No worries, the Happy Camper Van is here. The Happy Camper Van comes with an exclusive Pinky Cola and 7 Petkin accessories.
Oh, wow! We have company! Watch out for the tree!
Oh no. Out of the box, the Happy Camper Van is decorated on all sides with a roof rack and a faux door. The other side opens up to reveal the living space. There is a built-in seat and bench with a fold-down table, and the seat and bench fold open to make a bed. On the other side, there is a small bathroom with a shower right there in the back, a sink, and a pull-down toilet. Talk about living in small spaces. Now let's take a look at our surprise Petkins. Whoa, we have some really cool stuff, like an oven that can open, a stove and a counter with a drawer, a refrigerator, microwave, a toaster with toast, an egg, and a pot. Pinky Cola is wearing a bottle cap hat, white shirt, pink skirt, and pink shoes. Now we need the Happy Convertible that fits 4 little Shoppies and comes with an exclusive rainbow cape and picnic Petkins. Wait, is that a bank card? I love the little slice of watermelon. That is cute. You can place all of the food into the basket, then place it in the trunk.
All packed and ready to go.
There is storage in front of the car. That's a great place to put the spare tire. And there are little cup holders on the inside. Rainbow Kate is super cute. She has purple and blue ombre hair. She wears a pink dress with a yellow bow and purple shoes. The doors can open, the wheels can turn. This has to be one of the cutest cars ever. And it hooks right up to the camper van so they can take their happy place wherever they go and pick up a few more friends along the way, like Faith Feathers and Popsy Blue. Each one of these girls has a surprise Petkin accessory inside, so you get to experience the mystery window with the little Shoppie packs too. And this is... it says pull here. Wait a minute. All right, we pulled it, and here is our Petkin. It's a cute little beach bag. That looks great with our little Shoppie. I gotta say that the little mystery window thing is a lot of fun. Cool. And our last little Shoppie, Popsy Blue, comes with a cooler of popsicles. Looking over the included collector's guide, I see that there are little unicorns to match our little Shoppies, like Popsicorn, who also has a mystery surprise. It's a bow headband, So now our little shoppies can go unicorn riding on the beach. Woohoo! I love all the colors, I love the unicorns, and I love the pets. And I am so happy they come in blind boxes. Each box has one little pet and one Petkin accessory. There are 36 to collect. And of course, there is a limited edition little pet. You all know that I would love to find a limited edition Shopkins. Is this my chance? Okay, so there's like plastic wrapping all on the inside. Which one has the pet? I think it's this one. Okay, let's open it up and see. Is this the limited edition little pet? If I can ever get it opened. And it is not. But it is really cute. It's a little dog standing on its back legs. Can I get it to balance? I can! The Petkin accessory is a cake. On the collector's guide, I see that this puppy's name is Piper Puppy, and it has 5 different poses, which I think is really cool because if you can find the entire set, you can use it in different photos and make it look like the puppy is moving around. So there is Piper Puppy, Maggie Wags, Mia Meows, Becca Bunny, Mary Mouse, and Blossom Bear. And at the bottom, you can see them all as unicorns. I am hoping that this will be another Piper. That would be so much fun to have the whole collection. And it is Becca Bunny with a barbecue grill. In our last blind box, we have Blossom Bear with an armchair. Well, at least I didn't get any doubles. And we can use their accessories to decorate our happy place.
Ooh, nice place you got here. I just love the beach. Is there room for a few more? Absolutely. The more the merrier. Hey, everybody. She said we could move in. Come on. Yay!
Woohoo!
Wait up. I called dibs on the bedroom. It's just my size.
Come on, Tiana. I'm almost there. You know, a girl could get used to this. Aw, man. I can't fit through the door. Hey, just come over to the camper van. We fit great in here.
Oh boy, with all these new friends, I think we're gonna need a bigger house.
So that all of our mini dolls can enjoy our happy place. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Shopkins Happy Places Rainbow Beach. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.